today's event, Honorable Minister of State, Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, Adarniya Kulistaji, Honorable Minister of Health, Government of Rajasthan, Rathod Sahab, Ambassador Adalton, Mission Director, USAID, Shri Srinivasan, CMD, New India Assurance Company, colleagues from other state governments, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this symposium. It is a symposium which is going to cover very diverse and wide-ranging subjects, right from innovations to insurance, from PPP to IT solutions. The common thread, of course, is healthcare. And healthcare, as many of you being in the sector would realize, that it is the biggest challenge that most state governments face today. With programs like NRHM, the outreach of primary healthcare has substantially increased in the last decade, but quality still remains a challenge. And when I say quality, it means quality of infrastructure, quality of skills, timeliness of services, etc., etc. And while we work towards the various objectives of meeting IMR goals, MMR goals, there is a growing realization that government alone cannot do it. And there is a need for paradigm shift. There is a need to reinvent the wheel, to look at the ways we are trying to deliver this service. It cannot be business as usual. And therefore, there is a need to forge new partnerships, to use new tools. Speaking for Rajasthan, we have used IT very effectively in various sectors, subsectors in the health sector, ranging from payments of various kinds, including our field functionaries like ASHAs, and also the beneficiaries of JSY. IT is being used very, very effectively in these areas. We also sincerely believe that private sector brings efficiencies, and if government infrastructure and private sector efficiencies, they can marry, the results can be outstanding. And our experience with the various foundations where we have signed MOUs and given our PHCs and CHCs and trauma centers on PPPs, it shows a lot of promise. And with times to come, I'm sure this is going to gain more ground in the state. With this, I again welcome you all, and I feel that this summit will be an excellent platform for sharing of experiences, sharing of ideas, and the insights that we get will be useful for everybody. Welcome once again. Thank you.